Hi guys, this is Pratik Kamasani and I'm a solopreneur focusing in on the Power BI and Microsoft Fabric solutions, basically the BI side of the Microsoft Fabric. And today I'm going to visit a client and I'm taking this opportunity to talk about what's happening with this client, how I managed to land this client, and basically to give a glimpse of my solopreneur journey. So the first thing, how I managed to land this client, I actually got this client through my partnership with a consulting firm. I, as a solopreneur, is like basically solo, but sometimes some projects needs not just single person and they need like a team. And and also as a solopreneur, I think it's quite nice having these trusted people that you could also bounce some ideas and things like that. So I'm not going to go and work with every possible consulting firm, but I there are some boutique consulting firms that specializes in certain things, and I'm happy to partner with them. And I managed to partner with a very few consulting firms that I really trust, that I know, and I worked previously. And this particular consulting firm is probably my favorite. And if I could have favorites, and then mostly because of the people. So yeah, anyway, so because I trust them, and that's how, that's why I partnered with them, and that's how this project happened. So what I'm doing with the client, this is a small, medium size client. They have been using Power BI for a while. They have quite a few items on their Power BI tenant, and they are thinking about. They started utilizing Fabric and things like that. So they're thinking about their long-term strategy. And I come in there to look at their Power BI landscape and see what's going great, what's not going great, do a bit of discovery, and compare them with the business standards and the best practices from my own experience of working with the different clients, and show them uh, give them basically a discovery of not just the tenant discovery, but also this kind of a what's going great and what's probably not going great and how you could get there. So that was the first phase, and they actually liked my work and the team's work. So now we are in the second phase where we are actually implementing some of the suggestions that we have suggested. And it's a really great client, really lovely people, and I love working with them. And yeah, I learned quite a few things as well. I think one of the important things that I learned in not only these clients, there are a few clients that I'm working with, is how communication is a key and how transparency is a key. And I think the same thing applies to us as a consultants, or whatever we call them, like a solution architects or a developer or designer, whatever we call. I think every job needs that transparency. You need to show the client what you're doing and being transparent and communicate it, saying okay, this is what's happening, and giving that status updates is so important. And I think the one of the recommendation I would potentially give to anyone who is thinking about being a solopreneur, or being a freelancer or being a contractor and anything, I think quality really matters. I like the saying this thing is, I think I heard it from somebody and now I stole it, but it's when a chef is the owner of the restaurant, the food tastes better. So I think it's the same thing. I find it myself, and this is what I kind of tell when I'm in the sales conversations as well. Is see, you're talking to me. I'm the one who's delivering, so you could expect the quality, and I think that is what I would expect. I would recommend anyone. It's a deliver quality, and you probably won't know everything. So when you don't know something, be transparent, communicate that with the other people. And again, when you're partnering with a firm, or when you're partnering with other people in your field, then it gives you that kind of trusted network, where when you don't know something, you could reach out to somebody that you trust, saying hey, guys, I don't know how to do certain things. For example, if I don't know Purview, I would probably reach out to Martha or somebody, saying hey girl, I don't know how to use this, can you help me figure it out? So it's important to have that kind of a trusted network when you are a solopreneur. um yeah, that's pretty much it is for now. If I get more ideas, I'll probably record more, but otherwise, see you in the next video.